Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name's Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. And this is the second part of the 50-pound, I paid for $50 of jeans, and it's a mystery rescue box. So you don't know what you're gonna get, but I'm hoping that I get a few items that I'll be able to sell and make all my money back, as well as I'll be able to take a lot of these to my local buy, sell, trade sale stores like Plato's Closet and Style Encore and just sell them directly there. So typically I get about 40 to 50 items in my denim boxes, and I do really well on them. So I just want to share what I got, and maybe you guys will be interested in purchasing one too. I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so the first pair we have here is Vervette. Have not heard of this brand. Let me know if you have, but it has the raw hem, distressed look, and they're in really good condition. If it's not a good brand, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it to the buy, sell, trade sale store and not waste my time. Zara Woman. And these are in decent condition. I believe the knees are supposed to be like that instead of having the frayed look, because it doesn't look like they were frayed before, but it does have that raw hem again, which is on trend still. And they are a size 2, which is a decent size to take to Style Encore. This is Lauren Conrad shorts. They're just a size 2, nothing special. Going to that buy, sell, trade sale store. Pair of Old Navy, not a pair, it's a skirt. A skirt from Old Navy. It's in decent condition. I do not usually sell skirts in my closet, so I'll be taking that directly to those stores. Here is a cute Forever 21 denim skirt. Again, I might list this one just because it is embroidered, and Forever 21 actually is bread and butter online. It does really well. Sometimes, especially when it has like the embroidery and stuff like that, it's kind of making it unique. Another denim skirt by LEI. Oh, please don't be all denim skirts. Yeah, I'm gonna take it there, but I doubt they take that one because that is really outdated. All right, we got an Abercrombie and Fitch high-waisted raw hem denim. I will probably list these ones myself just because it is an on-trend style, and those are in really good condition. I'm not going to be getting a lot. It's going to be a bread and butter, you know, maybe like 20 to 25 possibly. All right, this is a pair of Levi's men's 38 by 30. I will be listing these myself just because, you know, my buy, sell, trade sale store does not take men's. Well, at least the style doesn't. Platos, they do, but they're not going to take that size of men's. They want more like smaller sizes, more trendy stuff for men. All right, this is Wrangler. Just a plain Jane Wrangler Jean. They're in good condition. I doubt that style will take them, but I'm going to go ahead and take them there just because that's not something that I would want to list. So this is called No Excuses Denim. I have not heard of this brand. It looks like more of a retro, a vintage brand. So I could list these as Y2K. And if I wasn't pregnant, I'd be able to take a picture wearing just to show how they look, because they are really cool. They've got the tapered high waist, but I don't know. I may try and list these myself. We'll see. I'll put it in that pile for now. All right, these are Polo by Ralph Lauren. So these look like definitely men's, and they're in good condition, but they look huge. What size are they? Yeah, 44 by 30. So they're a larger one, and I don't really do very well with large men's, but we'll try it. All right, H&M cut off shorts. They're cute. They've got like this scalloped edge look. Be taking that to my buy, sell, trade sale store. You'll find me saying that a lot for these just because I don't list a whole lot of lower end denim. Other people may do well with it, but I just don't seem to move it very quickly. All right, this is just a Jones, New York pair of denim jeans in really good condition. So they are going to be sold to them. Indigo Rain, size 1. So as long as there's no stains and stuff like that, these will be taken to Plato's Closet instead of Style. because Plato's Closet is more of junior brand sizing, which would be like 1, 3, 5, 7, stuff like that. And those are a size 1. All right, these are Massimo super tiny cutoff shorts. Going to them also. Bianco. Yeah, these have a lot of wear to them, so these will be redonated. So hopefully somebody can get some use out of them. All right, and Fit Sequin. So I'm pretty sure this is just like a Target brand or a mall brand. And they seem like they're in, oh, there's a blue stain. So donate pile, I don't know if you saw that, but that's not coming out. It's like a pin mark or a permanent marker or something. I'm praying there's one good item in this. I found some good items in the last box, a couple good items that will definitely help me make some money back. All right, these are Paige, and these are in really good condition. And this definitely looks like a newer Paige style. Vertigo crop. So I'll be listing these myself, and this will be a good $20 to $30. Forever 21 push-up jeans. So they're a smaller size, but again, as long as there's no stains, they'll be going to Plato's in Style. This pair of Buffalo, which Buffalo by David Bitton is a good brand. It's not that the resale value isn't always there, but I'm gonna take these directly to the store. I don't feel like listing them. Forever 21 shorts. What is this? I think that's Forever 21 if I'm not mistaken, but these are in rough shape. They're super wore. So I'll probably just end up throwing those away instead of even donating them. All right, Old Navy. And Abercrombie Kids, 11, 12. These will be probably given to my daughter because they are a skinny jean. And then the last pair I have here is Tinseltown, size 5 high-waisted shorts. Those will be going to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. So I only, out of both of those boxes, I only got 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Only got 15 items that I'm going to resell. I will insert how many items total that I got in the box that I'm going to be able to try to take to the buy, sell, trade, sell store, as well as list myself. And then I had, let's see, 8 casualty ones that I will not be listing at all. So I'll be sure not to add those in the total since I won't be listing them. And then I got 2 pair, one for myself and one for my daughter that I'll be keeping. I'm going to do a follow-up video because I did really well on the other denim boxes that I had received as well as shoe boxes. So I want to do a follow-up video and show you guys what all has sold. It's just going to take a little bit to make for you, but I'll be getting that done here shortly. So be sure that you subscribe if you are not already. And thank you so much for watching.